Hello, good evening everyone. This is the remaining part of Unit 1st, Chapter 2nd, Introduced to C. Which character comprise the C character sets? In this chapter, we we will be learn about the C characters. To show which character comprise the C character sets. The character sets in C consist of upper and lower cases alphabet, digits, special characters, and white space. The entire character sets is as follows. C character, it contains alphabets in upper and lower cases. Digits, it contains from 0 to 9 digit special character. It contains commas, semicolon, question marks, brackets, plus minus, etc. White space character, the blank space, horizontal tab, and carries return a new line, vertical tab from feed. Okay, this is the clear. What are the general characteristic of the C? What are the general characteristic of the C? C is a general purpose structured programming language. C programs are highly portable. It has a rich and large set of built-in function and operator. C is an C is a middle level language as it combines the capability of assembly language with features of high level language. C has the ability to extend itself. Okay, now we will describe the four basic type of constant in C. There are mainly four basic type of constant. There are two mainly constant: numerical constant and character constant. Numeric constant and character constant. In numeric constant, it contain integer constant and real constant, and in character constants, it contain single character constant and string constant. Now we will discuss each part of the constant. Now firstly we will discuss integer constant. An integer constant is an integer valued number. An integer constant is an integer valued number. Thus it refers to a sequence of digits. Integer constant can be written in three different number system. Part A, decimal, it contain base as 10. B, octal, it contain base as 8. Part C, hexadecimal, it contain base as 16. Now we will discuss each part of the number system. Firstly, decimal. A decimal integer constant can be consist of a combination of digits from the set 0 to 9. For example, 7, 3, 4, 5, and it may be negative also. Now second, octal. An octal integer constant can be consist of a combination of digits from 0 to 7. It should be started by 0. For example, 037. Students, maybe attention please. In decimal system, we will use only from 0 to 9 digits, and in octal system we will use 0 to 7. Now third, hexadecimal. A hexadecimal integer constant begin with OX or capital OX followed by a combination of digits from the set 0 to 9 and alphabets A to F. For example, OX2. Here decimal system of the integer is different from integer or decimal or octal decimal. It contains both alphabets and digits also. Okay, now real constant, a real or floating point constant is a base 10 number that contain either a decimal point or an exponent or both. For example, 0.0754 and 12 12 E12, and it may be negative also with floating point. character constant. A character constant is a single alphabet, digit, or special symbol enclosed with single quotation mark. For example, ए पे कॉमाज लग रहे हुए ए पे. String constant. A string constant consists of any number of consecutive characters enclosed in double quotation marks at the end of every string constant. The C compiler automatically adds a null character as the last character of the string. For example, green, hello. Thanks.